Imagine turning your TikTok creativity into an ATM machine, earning $11,000 a month with viral niches. It's happening right now with the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. Ever wondered how some creators skyrocket to fame and fortune on TikTok? It's all about tapping into the right niche at the right moment. Take Coach Tips, soaring to nearly 3 million views, or Guess the Player, hitting the 12 million mark. And then there's Blissful Health and Wellness, with videos surpassing 17 million views. Stories like these aren't just luck, they're strategic. But here's the catch. To get in on this, you need at least 10,000 followers and to tick a few other boxes, like living in specific countries. So, how do you skyrocket your follower count to meet these criteria? The secret's in the niches you choose. As someone who's been deep in the YouTube and TikTok trenches since 2017, collaborating with the likes of Matt Parr, Jordan Mackey, and Devin Canup, I've cracked the code on making it big on these platforms. And today, I'm here to share these insights with you, focusing on niches that are not just popular but profitable and viral. The question on everyone's mind is, how do I stand out? With millions trying their luck, the answer is simpler than you think. It's not about just being present, it's about being present in the right place, at the right time, with the right content. And while living in the US, Western Europe, Brazil, Japan, or South Korea gives you a direct ticket to the TikTok Creativity Program, I've got a workaround for everyone else. Stick around and I'll show you how to jump on board no matter where you're from. Ready to dive into the niches that could turn your TikTok account into a money-making machine? Let's get started and unveil these lucrative secrets. The first niche is making money online. There are lots of things that people want, and for most people, money is surely one of them. The Make Money Online 2024 niche is already blowing up, and it's nothing new. This is a trend that has been going on for a while. The great thing, however, is the fact that it's an evergreen niche. So, how do you tap into a market that seems to be saturated with too much content? You need to think outside the box. You need to find emerging ways in which people are making money and then report on this. There are several trending strategies that people are using in 2024 to make money online. In fact, you're tapping into one of them right now, the TikTok Creativity Program. Let's discuss a couple of ideas that you could consider targeting. First, there's the AI trend. People are turning to AI for everything from creating blog posts to designing art. However, if you take a closer look at TikTok, you'll notice there's a constant change in how people are using AI to draw in viewers. When you use AI to get more viewers and subscribers, it's a chance to profit in the process. Put your finger down videos, for example, are blowing up right now. Some TikTok channels are doing this and have thousands of followers. There's also the trend of videos showing you specific things related to your birth month, like dishes, mansions, creatures, foods, and more. These are trending right now, so you could educate your audience on how to make these videos. You could also teach your followers about affiliate marketing and follow with emerging programs that people are promoting to earn money. The next niche that we want to focus on is the Lego AI trend. This is actually a very fresh niche, so tapping into it right now can be really beneficial for you. The strategy focuses on using a mobile app to change the appearance of videos. There are a couple of apps that you can use to accomplish this effect, but Restyle is currently the most popular. You can download it on your smartphone. There are different ways to tap into this niche, but I've found that sports videos perform the best. The official Logi AI account has over 170,000 followers with 6 million likes. What they do is actually quite simple. They look for highlights from sports broadcasts, upload short clips to the Restyle app, make them seem like the people in the video are Lego, and then post these videos to their TikTok account. If you take a closer look at these videos, you'll find that some of them have views that go into the millions. For example, a Guess the Player video that's pinned to the channel has over 400,000 likes and more than 12 million views. Of course, you don't have to restrict yourself only to Lego effects, as there are several other options on these apps. The next niche that's blowing up on TikTok is Google Earth videos. The idea itself is simple. You go onto Google Earth and zoom in to find a magical or perhaps even a terrifying place. Now, it's definitely too easy to come up with ideas yourself. We live on a huge planet. However, AI becomes very helpful here. Head over to ChatGPT, Gemini, or your preferred choice of AI tools, and ask the AI to tell you about some hidden places on Earth. Focus on a niche, like beautiful areas of the world or perhaps abandoned places. You can then choose to get the coordinates and record yourself zooming in on Google Earth. Alternatively, just search for images about the place. Since copyright might be a problem, you could upload these images to AI and ask tools like Midjourney, Copilot, or Leonardo to recreate them. One of the most important things about this kind of video is to start with a strong hook. You have to capture the attention of the viewer within about a second or two. Otherwise, you risk them continuing to scroll up. Our next niche that you shouldn't overlook is self-improvement. People are always looking for new ways to improve themselves, whether it's to adopt a new style, lose weight, build muscle, or become more productive in life. Now, among the many TikTok niches you can target, this one holds up well with a younger audience. Teens and young adults are always looking to stay ahead of fashion trends and look great. However, you could even decide to target an older audience who wants to age gracefully. For this one, I definitely recommend you spend some time to find something specific that you want to target. Some examples include muscle building for young adults, losing weight for middle-aged women, eating healthy, boosting your mind through diet, and adopting meditation to improve productivity. These are just a couple of examples. You should really keep your own interests in mind, but also do some research to see what kind of self-improvement content is trending and doing really well. You don't necessarily have to show your face or even record your own voice in this niche. After doing some research, I came across several TikTok channels that use this strategy. Blissful Health and Wellness, for example, has more than 112,000 followers, and one of the pinned videos on the channel has over 17 million views. Sportsboy8888 is a channel that focuses on building muscle, with more than 4 million followers and one video getting 78.6 million views. In the meditation niche, there's a channel called Coach Tips, who has more than 200,000 followers and some videos raking in over 2.8 million views. These are just a few of the channels that are really blowing up by targeting the self-improvement niche. Quizzes, self-improvement tips, and even turning sports highlights into videos that look like Legos are all great ways to tap into growing niches that are trending on TikTok right now. However, when it comes to learning how to make money on TikTok, there's one thing that you can never go wrong with. That's drama. People love drama. So, if you're still looking for the perfect niche to target with the TikTok Creativity Program Beta, then consider doing videos on celebrity drama. That's something that gets people talking, which can help to boost your likes, views, and comments. First of all, make sure to understand that you'll need to do a bit more work for this one. It might not be the ideal niche if you're looking at things like TikTok and YouTube automation. That's because you need to keep yourself updated with the latest celebrity drama. By serving up content that's fresh and happening right now, people are more likely to find interest in what you have to say. However, there's another option that you can opt for. That includes looking into celebrity dramas that have happened over the years, or perhaps drama that's been coming on for some time. The number of people using TikTok crossed 1.7 billion by the end of 2023. The average user with TikTok on their phone spends more than 1.5 hours on the platform every day. The platform is blowing up, and it's now the perfect time to get into this goldmine. This is exactly where the TikTok Creativity Program comes into the picture. It's still in beta, but it is already helping a lot of TikTok creators with their Make Money Online 2024 strategy. It's different from the Creator Fund and holds a lot of opportunities, but apart from the fact that your account should be US-based, there are other criteria that you need to meet as well. This includes a minimum of 10,000 followers, and in the last 1 month period before signing up, your video should get 100,000 or more views. The best way to reach these criteria is to tap into niches that are trending right now. Getting into a new trend before it's saturated is a great way to ensure your success while you're uploading videos to TikTok. We're now going to jump straight into the niches that you should target, and at the end of the video, I'll share an extra tip to help you maximize your ability to make money online. These niches are blowing up right now, but wait too long and they'll become saturated. The entire point of entering early is to ensure you're one of the first channels to feature content like this. I want to emphasize the fact that you don't have to limit this strategy only to TikTok. Repurpose your videos by uploading them to YouTube Shorts or standard YouTube videos as well. That's going to help maximize your chances of getting more views and subscribers. Ready to escalate your TikTok game and channel earnings to levels you never thought possible? Your journey doesn't end here. You've seen the potential, witnessed the success stories, and now you're at the brink of something huge. But what if I told you there's a deeper level to this, a strategy so powerful it could multiply your earnings exponentially? While you're mastering the basics and exploring the surface, the true treasure lies buried. It's not just about making money, it's about making your financial dreams a tangible reality. The key? Advanced strategies that remain untapped by the masses. This is your moment. For a limited time, dive into Matt Parr's Tube Secrets course at an astonishing 90% off, exclusively through my link in the description. Unveil the secrets to earning up to $30,000 a month on YouTube without showing your face or using your own voice. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Click the link now and step into the realm of possibilities where your YouTube success story begins facelessly.